Hi people, I'm Basthees. Sorry that I speak really quietly, but it's 2:15 in the morning. I'm filming this with my camera because I'm trying to see if it works, so I hope it does. I'm filming this because I've been well, most of the evening, which means like from 11 o'clock, trying to solve this Rubik's Cube, and well, it's almost done now. I just missed the, well, turning it like 2 times, so yeah, I wanted to do it on camera and yeah, to show you that I can do one of these with the help from YouTube. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. And just so you know, I didn't just buy this and turn it like this. I took some pictures while I did it, and I'm gonna put them in now. Now I'm gonna finish it. Okay, this is rather exciting because it's done. It's finally done. I've actually managed to finish one of these Rubik's Cubes, which I've never done before. This is really awesome. Oh gosh, it's just so perfect. I was just about to wake up my mom, but I decided it wasn't a good idea, so I'm not going to. And I've texted my friends, and well, they didn't text back, probably because they're asleep. But oh, nice Rubik's Cube. So yeah, I'm gonna put in the pictures and then upload this to YouTube. Not this, but this video thingy. But the Rubik's Cube, that's mine. Mine forever. Oh, really, it's my mom's boyfriend's, but well, maybe I'll just buy him a new one and just have this for myself. Well, now I can prove that he did do this. So yeah, bye. I'm gonna go to sleep now in a minute.